Welcome to John and Kelly's Adventures again. We're in Alabama, getting on our way to Laredo, Texas, and finally starting out on this great adventure of ours. This is just a video of some nice little towns and whatnot, and some scenery. They're beautiful, beautiful trees and whatnot will be coming. You can see the leaves are already starting to turn, so that is going to be really beautiful. There's a section in here, I don't remember exactly where the count is, but you'll see a motor home, not an RV or anything, but one of those mobile homes being towed by a truck. And just as you see it, it comes up over the top. There's a Garrison Confederate flag. Now, for those of you that don't know what a Garrison flag is, it's one huge flag. It's flown at the biggest military bases. So it's a Confederate flag. It's on a memorial, but the memorial is on private property. It's privately owned. And I'll put a link to the description in the comments down below. So enjoy the video, enjoy the travels, and we'll put on some music, and you guys can check this out. We went through some towns and stuff. Some of the architecture is just absolutely beautiful. Love these buildings with the posts on the front and stuff, and leaves, like I said, leaves are getting ready to turn, so hopefully everything will be all right. And look at some of the churches that you'll see in some of the video here, and they're quite amazing. There's churches everywhere, small little towns. We stopped at a store. We went through a little town called Coleman, and since COVID and everything, apparently a lot of restaurants have pretty much got wiped out, and couldn't hang with it. So unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. So we're looking for a place to eat. And Coleman, Alexa found us one or two places. We wouldn't like them. They were closed permanently. And so we just went on down the road, and we came across this little fast food place called Jack's. So we pulled in there, spent the night there actually, but pulled in there, had a good burger. Oh, the burger was awesome. Had bacon, I think mushrooms on it and stuff. It was pretty good burgers, and not too badly priced. And we spent the night there and got up next morning. They had biscuits and gravy. They had sausage and gravy. They had sausage and biscuits. You could pretty much get anything you wanted. They had a very extensive breakfast menu for a little fast food joint. And it was really good. I was impressed. So I don't know if that's just an Alabama thing, because I don't remember seeing them in Virginia or Tennessee and stuff, but seen quite a few of them on the road there in Alabama. So just keep an eye out for them. And we're going to put some music on and let you enjoy it. Just remember, when you get to the end, or even if you don't make it to the end, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, and leave us a comment if you want. And I know my videography is lame, to say the least, but it is what it is. I'm learning as I go. So please enjoy. We'll talk to you all later. Thank you.